A couple of extra points that I'd like to make about wine tasting and the assessment in particular of aroma and flavour in wine. I'm often asked the question, well, where do the apples come from? Where does the grapefruit come from? Where do the black currants come from? Where does the leafy notes come from in the wine? And I can appreciate this could be a bit tricky to understand, but essentially what happens during the fermentation process, during the winemaking process, there are lots of different chemical reactions going on that result in the production of a number of different aromatic organic compounds in the wine. Now, there are about 400 different organic compounds in a glass of wine. If you were to sit down and analyse it, you'd probably find about 400 different components. These include acids, of course, phenolics that we've talked about, tannin. We're going to talk about those more when we get to red wine, of course. But there are also aromatic compounds as well. And these aromatic compounds, such as esters, pyrazines and terpenes, all have smells that we typically associate with them. That's why they're called aromatic compounds. They're volatile and they smell, and we can describe the smell because you will also find these same aromatic compounds in other everyday plant-based products that we're more familiar with. So, for example, esters are well known for having fruity aromas: banana, pineapple, citrus, lemon, grapefruit, apple, mango. These are all typically esters. Terpenes are floral, so blossom, honeysuckle, rose, violet. These are all from the aromatic compound category of terpenes. Pyrazines are herbaceous typically. So when I talked about the grasses and the nettles in the Sauvignon Blanc, these are Sauvignon Blanc is well known for having a high level of pyrazines. You'll notice them also in the Cabernet Sauvignon. So we can talk about a wine having these fruit and floral and spices. Terpenes are spicy as well. You get spices with terpenes. Rotundone is pepper, black pepper aroma. So you get these aromatic compounds in the wine, and therefore we can use them to help us describe more clearly the characteristic, the style of the wine that we're looking at.